to Gibbo, and he's not concentrating because he's now lighting the wrong end of the candle.
Oh, is he doing that?
He's lit. Oh, hang on, who's that? Yes, partner, what do you say, like?
Don't get the wrong end of the stick, like.
Don't get the wrong end of the stick. What? He's lighting it. What? You're very close. No, it's not. But it's not the right answer. Hold on, hang on. What are you saying, Pat?
Burn the candle at 5 pence.
Burn the candle, you're absolutely right. Well done, you. Hey, Pat.
Yeah.
You do me a favour, will you just say Super Girls, we love it?
Super girls, we love it.
There you go, nice. Thanks, Frank. Right, Holly?
Yeah.
Come on, love, wake up, will you?
Sorry.
Sorry, Chris, I got distracted. I saw an outdated copy of the Radio Times, and I just had to go and put it in the bin. So impressed as she did. Right, a point to Holly, a point to Pat. Whoever gets the next one right is the champion. It's one apiece, so it's all to play for. Mr. Fish is working as a celebrity chef on Can't Cook, Who Cares? And today, his celebrity partner is former US President George Bush. On the other team is Gino D'Acampo and Linda Barker, so the heat is going to be on as they wage war in the kitchen. Mr. Fish has decided that their starter should consist of an omelette, but he might have a bit of problem with the dish and his partner, George Bush.
Right.
Basically, George has got a phobia of eggs. So all his presidential aides have asked Mr. Fish if you wouldn't mind, don't beat any of that egg mix anywhere near the former US president because he's allergic to the eggs and he can't get the egg mixture of the egg. Yeah. Not really a mixture, it's a real egg. You can't get any of the egg on him. So Mr. Fish is clear, he's going to, just to clarify, you don't want me to, because I've got the eggs, I've got to beat them. Yeah. And they're going, yes, but please don't beat those eggs near former President George Bush. You can understand refer to him as Mr. President. Yeah, or George, or Bush. I mean, it's up to you, really. And he goes, fine. So I won't beat these eggs near him.
Or around him.
Yeah, and they say, yeah, nowhere near him, not around him. Oh, hang on, who's that?
It's Holly.
Holly, what are you saying?
Don't beat around the bush.
Don't beat around the bush. You're a winner. Oh, I'm absolutely made up for you now, Holly. I'm absolutely made up. Congratulations. Let's celebrate. Dominic, open that bag of the Toffos. Pat.
Hello.
So near, so far.
Yeah, never mind. All I kept getting in my head was don't cry over spilled milk.
Yeah, which is weird because there's no milk involved in it. It was mainly egg-based.
Yeah. Well, if any of your friends and family are listening, best of luck with this dinner.
Yeah.
Cheers, pal. Have a good weekend.
Yeah, you too.
Cheers, pal. No worries.
Bye.
Holly, 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 Holly! Holly, can you come back on Monday? Oh no, shit, it's going to be Tuesday.
Is it Tuesday?
Yeah, because Monday's my birthday, so we're going to drop Car Park Catchphrase because we've got a live studio surprise from U2 and the Rolling Stones who are going to come in and play a song for me as a surprise.
And the Beatles are reforming.
Yeah, the Beatles are reforming despite the fact that two of them are dead.
Yeah, three, isn't it? I know two.
Two, okay. Unless you put something we haven't. Ringo's just very monosyllabic. That's all it is.
Yeah, these two.
Peace and love. Me more feel twos. Right, so Holly, Tuesday.
Yeah, Tuesday's fine. Then happy birthday for Monday.
Oh, well, God bless you. Very nice lady. Good luck. Hey, quick, over there. Holly, don't miss it. It's a 2-day-old copy of The Guardian.
I better go and get it then.
Off you pop, me darling. All right, jog on. See ya. Right, take us out of the game, Roy. Join us, same time, next time, when we'll be playing another game of Car Park Catchphrase, only on Radio 1. Say goodbye, Mr. Fish. Right, what's he doing? He's waving. Waving to the people. That's right.
You like doing that, don't you?
I've done it, Billy. I do. 1 second. What's that? My goodness, it's a copy of the Today newspaper. They don't even make it anymore. What are you doing that for? You're not serious, Chris. Get it off.
There are so many people who've never heard that game. It's always after 9.
We don't always do it like that, by the way.
It's not always hosted by a Geordie lunatic.
How rude. When did you want to get our first client? Someone texted in yesterday. She was on yesterday. We ran out of time.
What are you looking at, dear? Are you looking at, baby?
Geordie catchphrase.
Hey?
Geordie catchphrase. Hold it hard when you know the answer.
That's like one.
Is it? What are you wearing a coat for? Are you a girl? Is the right answer.
When Geordie suffers, you can whisper, spray paint, fat and blood.
What? When it comes with what?
Spray paint, fat and
Where
blood.
are you from, Jamaica?
It comes from spray paint.
That's the worst Johnny accent ever.
Spray paint.
Spray paint. Hello there. I am like a Geordie. And that.
We're going to do car park catch. I know we're going to do the gold now, by the way,
It
right?
sounds like we're filling till 9 o'clock.
I know it does.
Super goals, we love it.
All right, Frank, not yet.
Super goals, we love it.
Yeah, leave it with it.
Super goals.
Shut up now, will you? Let's play a bit of a song parody, and then we're going to get into the gold now. 1 hour of classic hits and great memories from years gone by. Who'd like to hear I Got a Feeling featuring Aled and Matt Fincher?
Oh my goodness.
Just to show you how good the parody album actually is with me, Dave and Dominic and Carrie on it.
And the singing of Matt Fincher.
Here's how a parody should not be done. Right, you're on now in 2 minutes. I got a feeling, and it's giving me real bad Tuesday. I miss sugary drinks and cupcakes, not to mention Kit Kats, Twixes and Flakes. I got a feeling, and it's giving me real bad Tuesday. I miss sugary drinks and cupcakes, not to mention Kit Kats, Twixes and Flakes. Tonight I'm going to floss. I got my toothbrush. I am the boss. Got out and brush it. Like, oh my gosh. Roll on the toothpaste. Let's kick it off. We know that there's parody. Do you know what I can't listen to? Anyone else? That fiction's voice goes through me like fingernails down a black.
Oh, let's just have a little bit.
Oh, come on.
No, a little bit. It's hilarious.
I'm taking this too seriously.
It's worse than the drill, man.
Yeah.
I'm cringing. I'm cringing.
It's very high out
Man, you're gonna voice like him. Squash the banner. We want to feature in some little way. On your road, every time do you say? Oh, that'll do. I can't.
You're early.
What? I don't care.
National radio.
I don't care. All right, it's time for the goal now then. 1 year, half an hour songs. All you got to do is tell me what year it is. Right, text in. Tell me who you are, what you're doing, and where you're doing it. So if you're Dominic, you might say,
Hello, I'm Nigel in Newmarket, nailing something into my wall.
Aye.
I think it's 1942.
I know what you mean, Andrew, that confusing
I
art.
mean a picture.
And Dave, what would you say?
Hi, I'm Randy racing rabbits in Romford. I think that the year is 1985.
Right, I'm going to clear the text messages. We're going to start afresh. Let's see how many we can get. If you know, 81199. Tell us who you are and what the year is. 81199. Let's do the goal now, right now. The Chris Moore Show, golden hour. But tell me, what the hell is the year?